I don't know if you've noticed, but my life can get pretty hectic and I always have so many projects that I'm juggling all at once. So if I don't have a system in place, I can burn out very quickly. And so something that has honestly really helped me with this is Skillshare, which is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity. I always have so many things that I want to keep track of. Like I want to keep track of my goals, I want to keep track of my content, like how I'm doing on here. And I also want to keep track of my habits. And I thought it was a good idea to have a different notebook for different categories of my life, and that just doesn't work because first of all I forget what each notebook is supposed to do for me, and then if I don't have it all in one place I will forget about it. You know, I used to do bullet journals a lot, which is so time consuming by the way, but what I found through Skillshare is actually Notion. And Notion is so amazing because it's basically this digital space where you can keep like all of your notes, like everything in your head basically, in one single space. But it's actually really helped me to just like know that I have one space where I can just go to when I need to write something down or I have something on my mind. But that is only like a small fraction of Skillshare. There's so many different classes you can take on there. Illustration, painting, how to make films. The reason I'm telling you about this today is because my followers who use my link in my link tree can get a 30% off for a whole year of Skillshare, which is, I think, is a pretty good deal actually. Let me know down below if you have like any hobby or if your life is also super hectic. Let me know in the comments down below and we'll chat about it.